Apple just unveiled its most beautiful design ever, liquid glass. It's fluid, it's gorgeous, it's an illusion. What if I told you that this stunning new look might actually be a warning sign? A sign that one of the world's most innovative companies is hitting a wall, chasing beauty over benefit. Stick with me for the next 15 minutes and I'll show you the hidden trap in this beautiful design. More importantly, I'll give you a powerful framework to make sure your next product isn't just pretty, it's powerful. And you'll want to watch to the end, where I'll reveal a mind-bending concept for a user interface that has no interface at all. Let's be clear, this is a masterclass in design execution. Apple's attention to detail is legendary, but it's focused on the solution, the phone's operating system. The real question we need to ask is, what job are you actually hiring your phone to do every day?
I need to find that signed contract and email it to my client before I board this plane.
Think about the last time you were under pressure. Were you admiring the subtle gradient on an icon? Or were you just trying to get something done fast? This is the trap of diminishing returns. Teams invest millions making the tool look better, but they forget to ask if it helps you get the job done better. This phenomenon has a name: feature creep, or in this case maybe aesthetic creep. It's the tendency to add more features, more polish, more stuff, without adding more real-world value. It's the single biggest enemy of true game-changing innovation. So how do you fight it? You start by embracing one of the most powerful ideas in business strategy. Famously articulated by Theodore Levitt, he said, "People don't want to buy a quarter-inch drill, they want a quarter-inch hole." This is the core of a strategy called jobs to be done. When you use the jobs to be done framework, your entire product strategy changes. You stop building a feature-focused roadmap and start building an outcome-focused one. Roadmap A is a gamble on aesthetics. Roadmap B is a strategy built on customer success. It focuses on measurable outcomes that make the user's life easier. This is how you escape the trap of just adding more stuff and start adding more value. So what's the real alternative to just polishing the glass? It's to stop thinking about the tool and start thinking about the job in a completely new way. It's about elevating the job to a higher level of abstraction. Instead of you hunting through apps, imagine a proactive assistant that does the work for you. This solution gets the prepare for my meeting job done better, at a lower cost in your time and attention, and with fewer visible features. It's not about a new look, it's about a new level of intelligence, and this is just the beginning. The ultimate goal for some jobs is to make the interface disappear entirely. Why do you need to look at a map while walking in a new city?
In 50 feet, you'll feel a gentle tap on your left wrist. That's your turn.
That's it. The job is done. No screen required. That is elevating the job to its highest possible level. So, is Apple's liquid glass a bad design? Absolutely not. It's beautiful. But it serves as a valuable case study, a prompt for a critical question every leader, designer, and entrepreneur must ask themselves. Because focusing on the job, not the tool, is how you build the future. If you want to go deeper and learn the step-by-step framework for implementing this outcome-driven strategy in your own business, I've written a more detailed article on this on my Substack. It includes the full breakdown of the jobs to be done process, checklists, and more novel concepts, just like the ones we discussed. You'll also find detailed playbooks and several other articles, so please have a look. The link is right there in the description or in the first comment. Now, I want to hear from you. Let me know in the comments, what's one product you use that looks great, but is still incredibly frustrating to use? I'd love to hear your examples. And don't forget to subscribe for more content that goes beyond the hype and gets to the heart of innovation.